Hello viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Aslam Manzoor here. So in this video we are going to discuss about the new feature of GoHighLevel. It's a Google Analytic. It's not a Google Analytic, it's built by a GoHighLevel. So right now you can manage your all analytics in GoHighLevel dashboards. It's super easy. I will show you how you can configure it and how you can analyze your things with the Google Analytics in GoHighLevel. So simply first of all you need to go to your login into your account, and after that you can go to site area. In site area here you can see we have new feature that's called analytic. Just click on it and here you can check your all stat of your websites. It should be your QR code results, and it should be your websites, and it should be your funnel stats. So you can check all your stat, and you can check your browser as well, where the user coming from, and here is a page view, so you can check your page view as well, and here you can get traffic, where you are getting traffic from. You can track everything in GoHighLevel. Simply just go to dashboard and you can setting. So that's an amazing feature for who they want to track your audience, they want to understand their audience behavior, and you can grow more faster than any of the other things. Like I just go with this funnel, I have multiple funnels, so we can check one of those funnels. So let me go with all, and if I can go with all here you can see these are page views, and these are countries where these are coming. The main thing is that you can also make automations as well on base of in your specific country. For example, your audience is coming from USA or new visitor on your page, so you can create trigger, and base of trigger you can send them a notification to admin team. Simply go to your automation things. So first of all you need to go to your automation area. Once you reach in automations, here you can see funnel view or page view. When click on it, and you can select your funnel, and we can say that funnel is, you can select funnel, which funnel is you had. Simply just click on it, you can select the funnel, and after that when one trigger came on this, once view came on this, so you will say that send notification. So we will send eternal notification to like we will say that emails. Now we can send just on app, you can say contacts new visitor on your web page. We can say that websites, and we can mention the web page as well. It's up to you whatever you want to configure this, but I'm going to just configure this one, and after that what we can do, we will configure other requirements as well. Like we will say that contacts and all user where you want to send the notification. So that's automation. When some user came on your landing page, so you have analytic them, you can engage them, and after that you can send notification to your team member, and you can say, hey, we have new team member on our page, and eventually you will receive notification. So you can send them a pop-up where you're this target notifications. So if you need any GoHighLevel services like funnel design or any GoHighLevel services, you can go to leadsflex.com, book your free consultation here, and I will jump with your call, and I will guide you step by step how it's work and how we can implement on your website. Thank you so much for watching this video.